Good morning, ninth class. Today we will study about the Heron's formula. Heron's formula is basically based on the triangle, area of triangle, right? So let's recall our formulas regarding with the triangle. We had already studied the area of triangle is half into base into height. It will be applied on right angle triangle only. That is right angle triangle, right? So right angle triangle having the 90-degree angle, this is the base in which the height is standing. So that is how we get the area of triangle, that is half into base into height. And you already know the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is in a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides, right? That means hypotenuse square is equals to p square plus b square. ये हम already study कर चुके हैं, right? Hypotenuse, the longest side, that is called the hypotenuse. Perpendicular, that means which are making 90-degree angle, the line which are making 90-degree angle to the base. So we get the formula hypotenuse square is equals to p square plus b square. Now here are some Heron's formula. Why we are using Heron's formula? Because जो हमारे पास अभी तक formula है, that is half into base into height, it will be applied only in right angle triangle. But we have different types of triangles: isosceles triangles, equilateral triangle, and right angle triangle, right? Scalene triangle also. So for that we will derive the Heron's formula. उन सारे triangles के लिए we had derived the Heron's formula. So basically the area of triangle is root s minus a multiply s minus b multiply s minus c. So that is the Heron's formula. Now what is s here? Where s is a semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of perimeter. That is called the semi-perimeter. Perimeter का half कर देंगे, so we get the semi-perimeter. So perimeter is a, for example, this is the triangle whose sides are a, b and c. So the semi-perimeter is the sum of the sides divided by 2. That is the half of the perimeter, right? Basically this area is used to find the triangle, area of triangle. This formula used to find the area of triangle, right? So in this chapter we had only this thing, the formula here. So how we will use in the question, let's see. Let's have some examples. Now first example is this: find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 8 cm and 11 cm, and the perimeter is this. So we have to first of all find the third side. A is 8 cm, B is 11 cm, and P, that means perimeter, is 32 cm. So for finding the C, we get P is equals to A plus B plus C. 32 is equals to 8 plus 11 plus C. That means 32 is equals to 90 plus C. So C is equals to 32 minus 19. That is equals to 13 centimeter. So we get the third side, that is 13 centimeter. Now for the formula we want the semi-perimeter. So we have the perimeter upon 2, that means 32 upon 2, that is 16 centimeter. Now the area of triangle is, पहले we have to write the formula s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So we have s is 16 minus what is it, 8, 16 minus 11, and 16 minus 13. So that is 16 minus 8, that is 8, 16 minus 11 is 5, 16 minus 13 gives you 3. So see how we will do the derivation. अब हमें इसे रूट के बाहर निकालना है. 16, first of all let's take 16. 16 is the 4 square, so let's take 4 outside. We will left with 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 8 को break किया, 5 and 3. स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर रूट्स में हमने 8 में पढ़ा है. वी आर मेकिंग द पेयर्स, हम इसमें पेयर्स बनाते हैं. सो वन मोर पेयर इज हेयर. सो वी गेट 4 into 2 root 2 multiply 5 multiply 3, that is 8 root 30 centimeter square. So that is how you can apply the formula of Heron's formula, ठीक है, to find the area of triangle. Next, second, let's see the another question. The side of a triangular plot are in the ratio is this. Ratio means having the same, मतलब we have to multiply with the same number. So let the side be 3x, 5x and 7x, and the perimeter is 300. So find the area. First of all, we have to find the perimeter, a value of x, that is 3x plus 5x plus 7x, right? So perimeter is 300, which is equals to 15x. X is equals to 300 upon 15. X आ गया 20. So the sides are, let's A हमारी हो गई 3x, that means 3 multiplied 20, that is 60. B is 5x, that means 5 multiplied 20, that is 100. And C is 7x, that means 7 multiplied 20, that is 120. So we get these three sides. Now we have to find the semi-perimeter. For the semi-perimeter, we have to divide the perimeter by 2. Perimeter is 300 upon 2, that is 150. So semi-perimeter is 150. Now we are applying the area of triangle, that is, as always you have to write the formula. तभी हमें याद होते हैं बेटा. मैथ्स में आप जब तक फॉर्मूले नहीं लिखेंगे तब तक आपको याद नहीं रहेंगे. That is 150, 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100, 150 minus 140. So we have 150 multiply, subtract किया 90, subtract किया 50, subtract किया 10. Basically we have 1 2 3 4. सबसे easy तरीका है बेटा, यहाँ पे 4 zeros हैं, that means 2 zeros we can take out. Now we are left with 15 multiply 9 multiply 5 multiply 1. So we can break it 3 into 5, 9 as usual, 5. Let's take 5 outside and 3 here. So 3 into 5 into 100, root 3 is left. So the answer is 1500 root 3. The unit is meters square. Always apply the unit. So that is how easily you can find the root. उसको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करो, ब्रेक करो, पेयर्स बनाओ एंड टेक आउट. मल्टीप्लाई करोगे देन यू हैव टू फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. मिस्टेक होने के चांसेस ज़्यादा होते हैं. सो द इजी वे इज कि आप उसको ब्रेक करो एंड मेक अ पेयर एंड टेक आउट. ओके, लेट्स डू सम मोर एग्जाम्पल. I had written some more questions. Find the area of quadrilateral. Let's make one quadrilateral because here is not a triangle. Here is the quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. As you know, जब भी हम नेम करते हैं कंटिन्यूस वे में नेम करते हैं A, B, C, D. The given thing is AB is 3 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, DA is 5 centimeter, and AC, this one, is also 5 centimeter, right? Let me check because the two sides cannot be equal like this. Okay, now this is the 5 centimeter and AC is also 5 centimeter. ABCD, AB is 3 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, CD is also 4 centimeter, CD is 4 centimeter, DA is 5 centimeter and AC is also 5 centimeter. So we have to find the area. हम इसको फर्स्ट ले लेते हैं, इसको सेकंड ले लेते हैं. दोनों ट्राइंगल्स का इंडिविजुअली फाइंड करेंगे, देन दोनों को कंबाइन कर देंगे. सो वी गेट द टोटल एरिया ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल. लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन ट्राइंगल ACD, ACD से स्टार्ट करते हैं बेटा. फर्स्ट एक हमारी साइड है 5 सेंटीमीटर, B is also 5 centimeter, and C is 4 centimeter. Let's find the semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 5 plus 5 plus 4, 14 upon 2 is 7, that is 7 centimeter. We get the semi-perimeter. So area of triangle ACD, right? हमें ACD का find करना है. So always write the formula as I had always said. S minus C. So S is 7. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 4. 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Multiply 2. Multiply 3. So we are taking 2 outside and left with 21 centimeter square. ये हमारा इसका एरिया आ गया. Now in triangle ABC, A is equals to 3 centimeter, B is equals to 4 centimeter, and C is equals to 5 centimeter. So the semi-perimeter A plus B plus C, always write the formula. 3 plus 4 plus 5, 2, that is 12 upon 2, that is 6 centimeter. So area of triangle ABC is equals to S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4, and 6 minus 5. So that is 6 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. So we can take 6 outside because इसको multiply करोगे 36 आ जाएगा. So 6 centimeter square इसका area आ गया. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. That means 6 plus 2 root 21. So root 21 you can find and you get the answer in centimeter square. Now last one more word problem. Okay, so then we will wind up this chapter. The question is a triangular park. एक triangle park है बेटा. A, B, C, whose sides are 120 meter, 80 meter, and 50 meter. A gardener has to put a fence all around it. Fencing है, हम already पढ़ के आए हैं. Fencing means we have to find the perimeter. All around it and also plant grass inside it. इसके अंदर grass भी करनी है. How much area does she need to plant? That means we have to find the area. So A is 50 meter, B is 80 meter, and C is 120 meter. So semi perimeter A plus B. See, हम हर एक क्वेश्चन में सेम थिंग कर रहे हैं. सिचुएशंस केसेस अलग अलग हैं. किसी में कुछ चीज़ गिवन है, किसी में कुछ गिवन है, बट अल्टीमेटली वी हैव टू फाइंड द थिंग्स. सो वी गेट 125 meter. That is the semi perimeter. Now the area of triangle ABC is S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So 125 minus 50, 125 minus 80, 125 minus 120. So basically what we are doing, the sides are given, we are finding the, हम उसको subtract कर रहे हैं, but what you can do, आप पहले से भी इसका find कर सकते हैं. आप पहले इसको subtract करके you can find और फिर आप उसको place कर दो. That is also one of the way. So we have to subtract it. We get 75. In subtracting this, we get 45, and here is the 5. Now see how I am breaking this. That is 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. 125 हो गया. 75 को break करते हैं. 5 multiply 5 multiply 3. 25 series are 45 को break किया. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 इंटू 15 5 मल्टीप्लाई 5 ये आ गया। अब देखते हैं क्या बाहर निकलता है। एक 5 ये बाहर निकला, एक 5 ये बाहर निकला, एक ये 5 आया बाहर। Here is the 3, that's it. We will left with 5 multiply 3. So after calculating that we get 375 root 15 meter square. ये आ गया एरिया। So that is the area जो हमें चाहिए था। Next what she want, find the cost of fencing it with barbered wire at the rate of ₹20 per meter, leaving a space for 3 meter wide for a gate. गेट के लिए 3 मीटर एरिया छोड़ के हमें पूरे में फेंस करना है और उसकी कॉस्ट फाइंड करनी है। तो पहले निकाल लेते हैं कि हमें फेंस कितना करना है। सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ triangle ABC is A plus B plus C, that is वो हमने ऑलरेडी फाइंड किया हुआ है 250 मीटर। सो लेंथ ऑफ वायर नीडेड टू फेंस, फेंस करने के लिए हमें कितनी चाहिए, इसमें से हमें 3 मीटर माइनस करना है, दैट इज 247 मीटर। 247 मीटर चाहिए, ये हमें चाहिए। अब करते हैं कॉस्ट। कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर वायर इज ₹20. So we have to find the cost of 247 meter wire is, we have to multiply it. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग वी गेट ₹4940. सो बेसिकली यू हैव सीन कि हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट सेम है, वी आर अप्लाइंग द सेम एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल बट द क्वेश्चंस आर डिफरेंट. So this is all in this chapter. I hope it will be helpful to you in your exercise. Thank you.